Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Hard Rock Edition in Rhino Clear Coat. With LED reflector headlamps, power dome hood, 20-inch off-road aluminum wheels, rock rails by MOPAR, steel rear bumper, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Alpine Premium 9 speakers with all-weather subwoofer, silver interior accents, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3168B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.